it's leaking into the wall though yet. It's leaking back and down here like this. And it's going behind this too, so it could be leaking in the wall there as well.
Okay.
Don't think too much down here though.
Okay.
You got a lot of hair in your drain too. I'm surprised it's draining well.
I'll let her know to...
It's good. Have you been using that for your hair catcher?
It's her shower. I don't even use it. I run, so...
Oh,
I'll
okay.
let her know.
Yeah, but I see part of the problem or all of the problem. Not sure yet.
Okay.
You would have to take that off and see. I would probably do that first.
Okay.
But I'm not sure. Yeah, you can stop it now.
Okay.
Because I think I found the problem pretty fast. Yeah. Yeah, it's your shower up there leaking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So where's the ceiling now in relation to where I'm sitting? Is this pretty close to where the
I
little...
think that's gotta be right there, yeah.
Is that pretty close to where it was dripping through?
I think so.
I haven't quite got my bearings here yet, but...
Yeah, it's not just so weird it comes out really good. I think that's right around it though, yeah.
Yeah, so it's leaking from the shower head right in there. Could be a bad seal. Might just have to undo it and... Alright, so I pulled this nut off that was connected to the shower head threads there. It's connected to two. Looked like there wasn't much tape on it. The tape's kind of worn out up there too. So as I run this straight out where it can't leak there at that connection, let's see if we still have water back here. And lo and behold, no leaks. So that is where it was. I don't see any other leaks anywhere. So that's where it was coming from. So having a look here. Long. Kind of look around here see if we see anything. It's kind of right underneath. And looking up. Mixing valve, let me make sure I don't have any issues there. Oh, yeah, that stopped the leak already. So yeah. Alright, stop that for a minute. It seems to be draining okay, but probably could do well to caulk all this too. All needs caulked right there where you're gonna have a lot of potential water coming back behind the valve as well. I would do that, caulk that as well. All right, so let's just clean this old stuff off. We'll put some new tape on. All right, so we're gonna set it up. We're gonna use our thread tape. We're going to back it up with a little bit of the thread sealant as well, just because of the high pressure there. We want to make sure that we don't have any issues come in again. We'll give it a good sealing. And also we're going to take our silicone and we're going to caulk around that mixer valve too, since there's some opening right there for water to get in. So we're just going to seal all those areas up real good. All right, so we got it up to that point there. Looks like it threads pretty far back though, so it's hard to get in there. We're probably gonna have to use pipe dope to get in the rest of the way. As tape as we could. Now we're gonna just get back there as far as we can with that brush. Make sure all the threads are got the dope on them. Fairly decent. little bit more. I still see some threads there. I don't even want to see the threads. Alright, come on around again one more time. Fairly good. We'll try it one more time. Just get all the way in there. Make sure nothing is exposed. Alright. Okay. That should do it. Alright, so we got the pipe dope on there on the coupler. We're gonna go ahead and tighten him up real good. Alright, now we'll put him in here. Thread him back on. Alright, so we're now putting some silicone in here, kind of fill that little gap. And we'll just kind of push it over with my finger, kind of seal that up all the way around. That way that'll keep water from going behind the mixer too, because I noticed when the water was dripping, it was coming through here as well. So that'll solve that problem real quick. All the way around. Use clear too, that way it dries clear around that. Alright, looks pretty good. Might even go around this seal right here, just a little extra. Yeah. Alright, cool. Alright, and so when I ran that, there was no more leak there, so it was dripping down as we remember. So let's run it one more time just to verify that. Alright, looks good on the seal. Have a look up here. I don't see any more leaks. Okay, let's go around the back, because we could definitely see it leaking back here, and it was leaking. And looks good, no more leaks. Let's try. Yeah, looks good. Let's look up here real quick. On the mixer valve, it's perfectly dry all the way up and down. All right, perfect. That's the situation is solved. And let's have a look down here one more time. Outside down here. Don't see any water. Looks good. Running the shower for 10 minutes after I did the repairs. And it looks like we're good to go. There's no leaks anymore. So that was the problem.